Hello dear students. In this video I will teach you how to draw a cylinder. We draw a vertical line and draw two horizontal lines from 1/5 above and below this line, so that the vertical line is in the middle of two horizontal lines. Now we connect the beginning and the end of the horizontal lines together with two vertical lines, and it looks like a rectangle. In the next step, we draw an arc from the beginning to the end of the upper vertical line. And then we consider another fifth of the downward line and draw an arc from that point. An oval-like shape is made on top of the rectangle. Now draw an arc from the beginning to the end of the lower horizontal line. Now we have drawn the basic shape of the cylinder. We erase the extra lines so that the shape of the cylinder can be defined better. In the next step, we consider the place of the light, and according to that, we determine the shadow of the cylinder on the surface. Now we start drawing the first shadow layer from the side of the cylinder to determine the volume of the cylinder and determine the place of the light. The same in the above oval. We create a shadow on the right side which becomes lighter when it comes to the light. I fade the shadows a little with my finger and start to shade the darker shades. I draw a darker shade on the side of the cylinder, which fades as it moves towards the light. There should be no border between the shadows. Now I shade the other side and slowly add the grays, layer by layer and with patience. Darkness is more in the front third of the cylinder, so I can apply a little more pressure to draw darker gray layers. And then, by adding medium grays around the dark part, I draw a cylindrical shape. I shade slowly and patiently until the volume of the cylinder is formed. Pay attention that the direction of the shadows is like the shape of a bow. With the tip of the pencil, I mark the lower and surrounding parts of the work. We do this very slowly and softly so that the cylinder is separated from the white paper and has volume. But make sure to create a little shadow next to these lines. Gently shape the cylinder all around and shade it. I work a little on dark grays to increase the contrast. I blur the shadows with my finger. At the top of the cylinder, I shade a little with a pencil and blur it with my finger. Use this technique wherever you feel the need. Shade the shadow of the cylinder on the ground from dark to light and fade it with your finger. And at the end, as always, clean and organize the area around the design with a paste eraser. This is drawing and shading the cylinder. Be sure to practice this exercise several times. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you have any questions, write them in the comments and I will answer them for you. Good luck.